Hello, I'm Neil Matthews and I'm the principal of GEMS Wellington Academy, Alcale. When we consider how we can enrich our classrooms for engaging with our parents, the starting point must be building positive and strong relationships with our families. Teachers need to know their students exceptionally well and must get to know their families in order to provide support and guidance as the year progresses. It's important that we share the right information with parents, that they are informed about how well their child is doing and their future targets, and that we communicate with our families on a regular basis, that there is two-way communication to ensure that parents are fully informed and involved in their child's learning. Parents need to be involved in their child's learning and be part of that three-way partnership. It's great to invite parents into class to work alongside their child in different activities, to hear children read, take part in school trips and visits, and the many events that happen throughout the school year as part of the school calendar. There are many different approaches to teaching and learning today than there were 20 or 30 years ago, and the way that students are taught today is very different to the ways that their parents were taught. And so it's really important that we support parents in the different approaches to teaching and learning through engagement workshops, inviting parents to come into class and to see the different ways in which children are taught today. Learning in the classroom must have a purpose, and one of the great ways that learning can be brought to life for our children is by inviting their parents into class to talk about their experiences, the opportunities they've had through life, and to learn about the careers that they have. It's a great way of giving children's learning a real purpose and connecting what they're doing in the classroom to some of the future careers that they may well have. In order for students and a school to be really successful, it's vitally important that parents have a voice and they feel that they're able to contribute to the continued development of a school. No school is perfect, and there are many things that schools can do to continually improve. And by engaging with parents and inviting them to give their thoughts and contributions on school improvement strategies and different ideas, parents can feel empowered and given responsibility for the future improvement of a school.